How to change username on Snapchat before 1 year. So go over to your Snapchat and then click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Go over to your settings and then click on username. So just tap on it and see when you last changed your username. And once you find the date, go out of this and then open your phone settings. So go over to the date and time on your setting and then turn the set time automatically off and then click on the date and then set it to where it has already been a year since you have last changed your username, and then tap on OK and then select the time as well, and then restart your phone and then reopen your Snapchat and then go ahead and change your username and see if this is possible. So if this didn't work for you, you can go out of this and then go to I need help under support. So scroll all the way down and click on managing my account and then click on the name and username option and then click on contact us. So you can click on I need help with the Snapchat feature and then click on changing my username. So click on yes and then go ahead and type your username, your email address, and type in a description of how you are not able to change your username, and say it has been a mistake and you want to change it even though it hasn't been a year. And then go ahead and click on submit, and then Snapchat support will get back to you within 24 hours and then you'll be able to change your username.